Surviving in the wilderness is about preparation, knowledge, and adaptability. Whether you're a camper, adventurer, or preparing for emergencies, these 10 bushcraft skills will keep you safe and resourceful in the wild. Protect yourself from the elements by building a debris shelter using branches and leaves. Choose high ground, away from flood risks. Fire is life. Use methods like a ferro rod or bow drill to start a fire. Pro tip: waterproof matches or petroleum jelly-soaked cotton balls are great for damp conditions. Never drink untreated water. Boil it. Use a portable filter or purification tablets to remove harmful bacteria and parasites. A knife is your most versatile tool. Learn to carve, batten wood, and make feather sticks for fire starting. Identify edible plants, nuts, and berries in your region, and use simple traps or fishing for protein. Avoid anything you can't positively identify. Stay oriented with a map and compass, or natural signs like the sun and moss. Mark your trail with natural indicators to retrace your steps. Use vines, bark, or paracord for building, securing gear, or making tools. Learn knots like the bowline for reliable utility. Carry a small first aid kit and know basic treatments for cuts, burns, or hypothermia. Be prepared to improvise with natural resources. Read cloud formations and wind patterns to anticipate weather changes. Always prepare for sudden shifts. Stay calm. Make a plan and solve problems step by step. A positive attitude can carry you through tough situations. Build shelters, purify water, master firecraft, forage safely, and stay mentally sharp. Practice these skills regularly to make them second nature. Take action today. Practice one skill this week, whether it's building a fire or navigating with a compass. Stay prepared, stay safe, and turn the wilderness into your ally.